Okay, I thought well, first of all, hello. Got me talking now, for a change. This is a bit of a test really of whether I could use a show and tell style video. This is one of my models, made about last year sometime. Grumman Martlet Airfix kit. Quite a good kit, but I had to send away for replacement parts because didn't get everything in the sprue at the same time. Or rather, there was a boxing error, but that was sorted by the good people in Airfix. They didn't complain much, and you can see there's plenty of opportunity for detail, and made this in the British version as a Martlet rather than the American designation. The propeller moves, but it also comes off as well, but that's okay because it makes it easier to transport that way. And I can always imagine that it's being worked on, eh? But yeah, the trickiest part was getting the wheels to, not the wheels, the wings to fasten on, because there's only small mounting points there, and there's no pins to mount them on. They're just balanced in sockets, and you've got to get them in such a way that the space between the end of the wingtip and the leading edge of the tail is the same as the, I'm not sure what they call that, a sort of holding bar while it's strapped down under decks. But yeah, not too bad at all as a kit, and yeah, buy one. It'll be nice to build. Enjoy it.